I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering an exhaust system. This is a Yoshimura replica pipe that we get from Japan. This pipe is for a 73 to 75 Z1. We just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like on a bike. It's got the nice smooth bends. It's got some good ground clearance, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. Right over. So here's what it sounds like on a KZ1000. Keep in mind it's meant for a Z1. Okay, this is our mechanic's bike, and this is a bike we kind of do some experimenting with, but we just kind of want to show you the gist of the pipe, and we're going to be offering this for sale on our webpage. Okay, well, thanks for looking.